Assalamualaikum. Hello, Assalamualaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my Iqbal's World YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about best car accident lawyer. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search car accident lawyer. When you search car accident lawyer, the website page will be opened. You just click in this first website. What does a car accident lawyer do? When you click this website, the page will be opened of what does a car accident lawyer do. A car accident lawyer helps victim build personal injuries, claim and seek compensations for the damage. Other driver cases, car accident can result in significant injuries that can take years to heal, and in many cases the victim never fully recovered. If you have been hurt in an accident and you were not at fault, a car accident lawyer can help you build a case of a file of compensations in a timely manner. The team at John Foe and Associated will begin building your case with a free consultation. What a car accident lawyer can do for your case. The main goal of car accident lawyer is getting you financial compensations to cover your expenses like medical bills, vehicle repair or replacement, loss of wages, permanent disability, pain and suffering, losses of consumptions. Car accident lawyer are personal injuries lawyer who specialize in tort of law surrounding car accident. There are a number of ways that can help you pre-sure a fullest compensation possible. Here are some of the main things an auto accident lawyer does when working with an injured driver. Help you understand your rights. Most of people are not well versed in personal injuries law regarding car accident. Because of this, when an accident does happen, it is completely understandable if you don't know what your full rights are. If you were not at fault of your car accident, you should not have to pay for damage resulting from it. The lawsuit around car accident injuries vary per state. In Georgia, at the fault of party in any injured accident is liable for all damage, and an injured party can seek compensation for their damage. Your lawyer can go through all relevant laws and apply to your cases. They will help you understand what your rights and how does you can legally protect yourself. Insurance companies are skilled at making you think, and you have too little choices in how your case goes. However, you likely have more power than you realize. Offers legal advices. After you get an accident, you might get a lot of differing advices. Maybe you look online and see an article saying one thing, then you talk about your friend and families, and they will give you on their opinions on what you should to do. It can get confusing quickly and leave you wondering how to best approach to your case. Tending to a car accident injuries lawyer is an often best place to start. Car accident lawyer knows what should happen after an accident. They have spent years of schooling, training and hands-on experience with a car accident claims. They can look at the details of your case and give you the best advice and how to seek the full financial recovery you need. Find an experienced car accident lawyer if you want to have the best chance at a successful car accident cases. Negotiate for fair settlement. A lot of work and investigations goes into a successful car accident. An accident attorney does a lot of behind the scenes to building a strong case for your and fight for your rights. They can help you investigate the details of your accident, gather all relevant information including picture, police report, witness statement and proof of damages, build and file a personal injuries claim with at the fault of driver insurance companies. Negotiate for fair settlement if the insurance company tries to lowball you. File a lawsuit if the insurance companies refuse to negotiate. Handle every step of the partial process. Represent you in the court with the goal of recovering full compensations for you. Represent you in the court. Thankfully, most of car accident cases are resolved well before they need to go to the court. Insurance companies are more likely to offer a fair settlement to a plaintiff who has an accident lawyer. Even if you have to end up filing a lawsuit, it's likely your lawyer will reach an agreement with the insurer before the trial. However, if you have to end up going to court, a car accident lawyer will be on your side. Throughout the entire ordeal, they will be fight truthfully for your rights and compensations. Experienced lawyers are not afraid of insurance companies and their tracks. They will be ready for whatever the insurer brings to the table. A car accident lawyer can help you gather evidence that is difficult to get on your own. Most of people do not realize exactly how much car accident lawyer do when working on a case. Here are some additional tasks that you might not think about until after you have decided to hire a lawyer.